Betta Ecosystem announces upcoming release of Skylabs $VSL token and self-custodial staking model. A Betta Ecosystem project, Skylabs VSL Launchpad, is pleased to announce the forthcoming pre-sale of its exclusive Skylabs token, $VSL, which will launch on Sunday, 28th of August, 2022, at 7 p.m. UTC, with a revolutionary next-gen staking model. Skylabs VSL is a launchpad with a mission to launch only top-tier projects, ones that meet the highest of standards, including a clear path to revenue and strong fundamentals. All projects launching off Skylabs will meet competitive marketing positioning standards. The highly anticipated $VSL BIP20 token will launch exclusively on sale, one of two independent launchpads, joined by Skylabs, at Betta Ecosystem, which prides itself on being a decentralized environment that participates in non-custodial staking. Because of this, stakers have full control of their respective funds with no interference from a governing body. Additionally, withdrawals are never restricted and their tokens are never removed as a means to limit high-risk investments. In fact, the community-driven project's tokenomics is deflationary, meaning that tokens can't be minted while, per a burn procedure, are decreased in supply over time. No additional tokens can be added to the circulation as a means of payment. Stakers of the $VSL token will receive royalties from shared revenue as 100% of the buy tax and 33% of the sales tax, which evolves into 20% of generated revenue from both launchpads, once the buy and sell taxes are removed from DEXs for mass marketing via SEXs. These are guaranteed allocations per exclusive Skylabs Launchpad projects. Invited to participate in the anticipated upcoming WildSum at Lisbon, Portugal Web3 event on November 1st to 4th, 2022, Robin Lin is inspired to share the nuances of navigating the brave new world on the stage of a mature investor. This community is one that supports financial sovereignty, said community-elected leader and advisor to the project, Robin Lin. This community is one that supports financial sovereignty. Betta Ecosystem, backed by a passionate community with an integrated blockchain-authenticated voting contract. This project has set the bar higher for guiding DeFi enthusiasts to make wiser decisions for their own futures. For more information regarding the $VSL pre-sale and innovative staking model, which is slated to launch Sunday, August 28, 2022, at 7 p.m. 1900 hours, UTC, visit https://vetter.i/VSL staking review/ and join the pre-sale Telegram group at https://t.me/Skylabs for all the action. About Betta Ecosystem. Skylabs $VSL, a project developed by its community for Betta Ecosystem, is the project's second token launching on their very own launchpad, VSL. Betta platform is a research-based tool that empowers and audits project data through community-led research. Betta Ecosystem has been featured in Bloomberg, NASDAQ, and Yahoo Finance. For more information, please visit https://vetter.i/. Betta Ecosystem is the source of this content. This press release is for informational purposes only. The information does not constitute investment advice or an offer to invest. We recommend doing thorough research before investing in cryptocurrencies.